How else does it go? Is that the whole song?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the whole song?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the whole thing.
When her home, we were to the home teams. We were to the White. Do you like the White Sox?
Sure, we like the White Sox.
Yeah.
Maybe not as much as the Yankees, but we like the White Sox.
Do you like the Rangers?
I like the Yankees, yeah.
I like the Rangers too.
You like the Yankees too?
Yeah.
And do you like the Cubs?
Yeah.
Is that the team you play for? You're a Cub?
I got a top hat.
Well, we'll find it.